Hey, what's up, everybody? I wanted to share a money saving tip with you. I really hate buying windshield washer fluid because I was good with it up until it hit about $2 a gallon, and then after that, I'm like, this stuff is stupid expensive for what you get. So I wanted to share with you what I've been doing, and you can use tap water. I use distilled water because I think it really gives you like a really streak-free kind of finish. So for 6 gallons of distilled water plus this 64-ounce bottle of just clear ammonia, I paid $10.95 out the door. So what I do is I take this bottle and I dilute it into 6 gallons of water. And this is just like a rough estimate. So you can make it stronger, you can make it weaker. And this stuff is really cheap. This is $1.98, so a gallon of this is about $4. A gallon of this is about $4. So diluting this in water definitely is going to save you some money. So 6 gallons of this, $10.95. 6 gallons of this, you're looking at 18 plus. Now, the reason I have this one out here is that this is the difference here is this has freezing protection. Unfortunately, ammonia does freeze near the temperature of water, so this is like summertime use only. If it's the wintertime, you definitely want to get this because this freezes at a lower temperature. And the reason this freezes at a lower temperature is because it contains methanol, a type of alcohol, and that's what lowers its freezing point. This is about $4 ish for 2 quarts. You can use generic Windex and dilute it into distilled water as well. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. I really like this. This works really good for me in the summertime. You can make this much stronger. You can put this with like 4 gallons of water, and it's really strong, and it does a really good job getting the bugs off your windshield. So, yeah, I'm buying this stuff every month otherwise, so I figured save myself some money, and I kind of played around with these different different cleaning products, and it's fantastic. Works great. I'm never going back.